welcome. Welcome. You're very welcome. You're welcome. What's your name, sir?
Pat Fletcher.
And what kind of car do you have today?
This is a 68 Charger RT, 440 engine, you know. Very rare, one of one.
Right.
Made, yeah.
Yeah, I read that. One of one, so this is unique.
Yeah, it is unique. Yeah, you'll never see another one like this. It's
Okay.
price of registry in the book there over. It tells you all about it, you know, how by the serial number.
Very cool.
You know Steve McQueen movies at all back?
No.
Okay, well, they had a movie about a Charger and a Mustang, and they were chasing it through San Francisco, and they used this, and that's what made it famous, because this is the only one that has the round taillights in the back, not the straight ones.
Right.
So that's what made them really valuable and famous, because of the Steve McQueen movies.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's quite a story behind it.
I'm going to have to look into that. Steve McQueen movies.
It's called Bullet.
Bullet?
Bullet, yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of cool. Lots of racing in there, and you know, like through the streets of San Francisco over the bumps.
Yeah.
You know, when they brought that movie out, going down like this, the bumps, people were getting nauseous and throwing up in the movie theaters because it was going like this. So, as they were chasing through downtown.
Yeah. If you could take this car anywhere, what would be your dream road to drive it on?
Well, in the States, you know, Route 66.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay, yeah.
I've done it, you know, but I do it again, you know, it's kind of neat. It really, you know, some of it's missing now, but it's still fun. And, you know, Las Vegas too, like it's awesome.
Yeah.
Like you know, Saturday night in Vegas, if you got your collector car there, you just take it and pull it right in front of the casino, and the doorman just lets you sit there. Whoa, so you can stay there, you know, and so people are coming up, taking pictures of it, and it's up on the steps.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun with it. Cars like that. Yeah, a lot of good times. You know.
When did you acquire this car?
I've had it about 3 years now.
Okay.
I changed it all. I made things right on it, but it's good now.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
pretty cool car.
It's a very, very nice car, yes. Thank you very much.
Sure.
For joining us here at Fat Guys Auto Parts in the Pony Corral. We had a lot of different vehicles here today. The Fab 50s Ford Club, lowriders, trucks, the Electric Vehicle Association. Woo, what a night. Next week, we have the Manitoba Transit Heritage Association. Hot weather, hot cars, hot batteries, hot tail fins, hot lowriders. Let's go, Winnipeg.
Fat Guys Auto Parts.